So one thing I always say to my people is that whether we like it or not, we must get the hell out of this messed up country called Nigeria. Nigeria is not working and it's not going to work. But the beauty of what we are saying to those of you, let me turn my camera this way so that you can see exactly what is happening on the other side. Nigeria is a contraction. Ṣé wọ́n náà like nǹkan tó ń rí níwájú ẹ? Ṣé wọ́n náà gbàdúrà pé irú nǹkan báyìí ìwọ náà fẹ́ jẹ́ ń súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí? Ṣó wá rí gbogbo building tó ń rí níwájú ẹ̀ wàá wà surprise pé gbogbo àwọn tó ń lọ káàkiri púpọ̀ nínú wọn ti ṣiṣẹ́ lọ ní during the week. Wọ́n ní ọmọ tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ jáyé ẹ̀yin ò ráyé jẹ ìyà òun lẹ̀ ń jẹ nínú ìbí tó ń pè nílẹ̀ ilé ti gbàgbé kọ́kọ́rọ́ ẹ̀ sí bíbá bí a kọ́kọ́rọ́ ilé owó nìyẹn. Ìwọ náà máa wo bó ṣe ń lọ níwájú ẹ. Mo kí ìyá mi gbé mi lékè, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, mo kí àwọn ọmọ Biafra. Koiki ló ń pe bíbá èmi ni ọkọ ya àwọn politicians yìí nílé, àwọn tó ń parọ́ fún yín tó ní ẹ má listen sí Koiki, ìwọ náà máa dá wọn lóhùn. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé tó bá ti listen sí Koiki ayé ẹ máa dáa, torí pé Koiki ló máa fún ẹ ní bó ṣe ń lọ ní gbogbo àgbáyé. Àwọn olóṣèlú yóò fẹ́ kó mọ tó ń lọ náà nítorí pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí wọ́n náà bá ti já sí ìwọ náà máa di pín ni wàá máa sọ pé o fẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́. And this is the reason why they are holding us back, because your politician knows the truth. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní òtítọ́ òun ló máa gbé lékè bí ìyá mi gbé mi lékè. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá nation, àwa tí à ń sọ pé a fẹ́ òmìnira Yorùbá, ó yẹ ti di dandan pé ká gba òmìnira lẹ̀ Yorùbá torí pé kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́dọ̀ dá wa dúró mọ́. A ti pẹ́ nínú ìgbẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà tó ti bayé wa jẹ́. And this is the reason why I am saying to everyone again today, èní ni 15th day of the month. Kò sí tó bá lọ ní 360. Ìwọ náà wòran sórí bó ṣe ń lọ. Ìwọ náà kàn máa wo 360 pé abáyọ tí Koiki ṣe ní ká gba Yorùbá nation. Abáyọ tí Ìgbòho ṣe ní ká gba Yorùbá nation. Torí pé tá bá ti gba àwọn ìlú yìí, tá bá ti lè dá dúró, wàláì sórí mọ́tò tó ń lọ yẹn XL 180 kò ní láti ṣẹlẹ̀ máa gé orí èèyàn kó tó gunru mọ́tò yẹn, sórí pé fine girl ọmọ tó ń gun mọ́tò yẹn. In tí mò ń sọ fún yín nìyẹn, in tí Ìgbòho ń sọ fún yín nìyẹn, in tí bàbá Akíntóyè ń sọ fún yín nìyẹn, in tí bàbá Yílóge ń sọ fún yín nìyẹn pé a ní ká kúrò nínú rọ̀tìrọ̀tì. In tí gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa òkè bí ọ̀run kò sí, àwọn central office, àwọn alájà, àwọn alájì, gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́, Mrs. Janet Fashaki, Ìgbòho Day, àwọn obìnrin akíkanjú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, gbogbo àwọn tó ń sọ pé sẹ́ òmìnira tí ìyá burúkú yẹn náà ń gbé wá irọ́ ló ń pa fún yín. Yorùbá nation la gbé dání. Torí pé tí bá sọ fún ẹ pé wọ́n ti gba country, irọ́ ni màá máa pa fún ẹ, torí pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń sọ pé wọ́n ti gba country, torí kò sí evidence tó show ẹ̀. Ìyẹn mo ṣe ń pariwo lójoojúmọ́ pé àníṣe enough is enough. Mo kí ẹ sọ́nkì, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tí ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ìwọ náà máa wo wájú ẹ pé ọmọ London ló ń pe bíbà, London la wa oríṣiríṣi dẹ̀ ló wà sórí yẹn náà, torí bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ̀rọ̀ ń ṣe fàájì lọ sórí náà oríṣiríṣi ló wà. Kò sí ìtọ́lúkálukú máa ṣe, kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó gbọ́dọ̀ dá dúró tó o bá ti di nuisance. Eléyìí tí mò ń ṣe ìkànnì ń pè ní nuisance. Nàìjíríà ìlú òṣì, ìlú tó ti hold life fún yín padà, ìlú yẹn ló lè máa sọ pé sórí yẹn tó yẹn ń jó mẹ́ẹ̀ sórí bóyá yẹn ń jó sórí ajá yẹn náà ó tún gbólógbò sẹ́yìn sórí gbogbo bíbà ibi táwọn ìyá wa máa ti wá ń rajà nìyẹn. Ìwọ náà wà máa béèrè pé ọmọ Koiki báwo ni bíbà ṣe rí bá torí pé ó ní ètò. Nàìjíríà ò ń ṣe ìlú sẹ́, ọmọ Bọ́lájí mo kí ẹ. Eléyìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní UK torí pé àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ní freedom, àwọn wọ́n ń sọ fún wọn pé ẹ lọ máa dìbò for 4 years, wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ máa vote every 4 years ẹ lọ máa vote, knowing fully well pé voting ò lè solve problem tó wà nílẹ̀. Àbá vote ní every 4 years fún Tinubu nìkan kò lè solve situation tó wà nílẹ̀. Torí pé freedom tí èmi enjoy wọn ò ní jẹ́ kó enjoy ẹ̀ wọ́n máa disagree pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Olúkálùkù ló ní right of way. Ìwọ náà wá wo gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ ní 360 degree. Eléyìí ò dí ọ̀rọ̀ church mú kò dí ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ṣáláṣí mú. Obìnrin tó wa mọ́tò yìí nísìn Uber ló ń ṣe yẹn bó ṣe rọra ń lọ yẹn. Mo ti rí logo yẹn Uber ni woman tó ń lọ yẹn nísìn. Ó lè jẹ́ pé ó kàn fẹ́ lè ṣe part time. Mọ́tò torí mọ́tò yìí wàláì Uber ni bó ṣe wà yẹn. But lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín tí ní understanding pé àníyàn torí pé mo right torí pé Uber ni. I'm showing my people back home.
What London is like.
Yeah, what London is like because they don't know what is freedom.
Oh, okay.
They have restricted freedom from them.
Live,
so I have
live.
yeah Instagram.
Your stream.
Yeah. So what do you think of London? Where are you here or you're Essex? So you just come down for the town for the weekend.
Yeah. No, just a couple of the days. It's half an hour away. So.
Yeah, I know Essex very well. I've lived here 25 years, so I know Essex very well. Yeah, I got 500,000 followers. So hello to them. Say hello to them. So what do you do for a living?
Me,
Physio.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta introduce you to my son then. Thank you so much. Enjoy London. Bye. Ọlọ́run ọba o. Òyìnbó dá. Tó bá ké mo tí màá rí ní sèé tó bá gbé gbàtà ṣe wà ní Ṣàngó Òde tá à ń ṣe oyè yìí àmì gbẹmí lékè àti kùn sí létí bọ̀ tìyàwó ti wà báyìí àgbọ̀dọ̀ máa ṣe gbogbo yẹn mọ́. Àníṣe London ló ń pe bíbá ìwéèrè súnmọ́ bíbá yẹn ọmọ àkẹ́ tẹ́ ń sọ pé gbowó ọmọ tó ń sọ. Ìgbòho níyà ń jẹ yín ó ní ayé yín ti wà lockdown ó ní ẹ̀ ní life Ìgbòho ní ẹ̀ ní life ṣó wá rí bí ṣe gbé fóònù dání báyìí kò sẹ́ni kankan tó gbọ́dọ̀ wá ara sí mi àwọn òbí kan wá wà tó bá wọnú bẹ̀ wá sọ fún mi pé o lè ṣe live broadcast tí mò ń ṣe jẹ́ ń gbé sórí bíbáyìí kí n gbé wá sójú mi torí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa rí mi dáadáa àní mi lọ sórí bíbáyìí náà àmọ́ tó lè gan wà fún sórí sólà lélẹ̀ báyìí City of London ló ń pe bíbáyìí City of London London láwà ó yá wàá máa rán àwọn ọmọ dẹ́mdẹ́m àwọn ọmọ ṣokoro ó yá jẹ́ ń gbé báyìí mo kí gbogbo ilẹ̀ kan sí mọ́nẹ́ mi ni máa fi bí London ṣe ń rí máa fi wọ̀n ẹ́ lójoojúmọ́ so that inú á lè máa bí ẹ tó bá ti ń wo àwọn fídíò báyìí inú á máa bí ẹ pé pé kí ló dé tí Koikiri báyìí títí wa ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn torí pé ìkà ló ń ṣe fún yín àní Nàìjíríà ń ṣe country Nàìjíríà ó ti wà out of country kò yẹ kó máa pe Nàìjíríà ní country mọ́ kò yẹ kẹ́ máa pe Nàìjíríà ní country mọ́ kò ń ṣe country and come and say hello to them. Hello. So, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. I'm showing them London because most of them don't know what is freedom.
Okay.
These are Nigerians.
Okay.
But most important is that they've been locked into the cage.
Okay.
So I need to open their mindset.
Okay.
25 years in UK, I need to tell them that everybody have the right to life.
Of course.
Right or not?
Of course, yeah.
So,
We're talking to all the Nigerians about life.
just say hello to them quickly, man.
Hello.
One. Wow. This one has been eating a lot of jollof fries. All right. Where are you heading to now? Old Street. Okay. Have a great time. Take care.
Everyone has the right to life.
I'll go on, yeah?
All right. All the best.
Have a
Yes. Sori pé life is simple. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Àwọn ọmọ dem bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bó ṣe rí ni. Sori until everybody start understanding what we are saying to you on a daily basis. Until you get to know that life is not what you think. Bó ṣe wà yẹn. They don't have to have any religion, but wọ́n ní pure art. Ìyẹn làwọn ò ní. Ní pure art. Ẹ jẹ́ n wọ glasses mi kí lè máa ka comment díẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ ló ń pè ní London. Tó bá mọ London, ibi báyìí ló ń pè London. Ẹ lọ pè wọ́n wá kọ́ wá wo London. Mo sọ fún yín pé màá change brain ẹ. Tí bá máa fi change brain ẹ tán, mo ti ríran dáadáa nísìn. Mo kí gbogbo wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Sherry, a lot is special. That was the reason why Nigerian politicians can't do without coming there. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ìyá mi Bísí Mákanjúọlá, mo rí yín bẹ́ẹ̀. The Nigerian politicians are coming here every now and then. If not, kí ló lè mú Ike Ekéremadu, right? kí ló lè mú Ike Ekeremadu tó fẹ́ wá sí UK láti wá ṣe organ transplant? Mo kí mọ́mì mi Pastor Mo Sanki, mo kí ẹ ń bẹ̀. Ẹni bá fẹ́ pè wọlé ẹ lè pè wọlé. Mo ní enough time, mo ní at least 1 hour clear láti fi bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Let us talk. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀. Eléyìí ń ṣe pé à ń bá yín tẹ wà ń lé jà. What we are saying is that, hello, how are you? Are you Koreans? Japanese? Where are you from then? China? Oh, the Chinese. Àwọn Chinese nìyẹn. Àwọn tó ń mind lọ́dọ̀ wa nìyẹn. Àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n wà London nísìn. Surely until we got to understand that we are all saying every day, Nigeria is not what you think. Kúrò nínú Nigeria. Jẹ́ a bọ́ sínú location tó dáa fún everybody. Tí ọlọ́pàá máa protect ẹ, tí system máa protect ẹ, tí location yẹn máa rùn mọ́ ẹ lára. Ó wá expect tèmi gbé níbí báyìí fún 25 years. Kí wọ́n wá sínú shit hole system. Tó yẹ pé ẹ ní system kankan tó bẹ́ẹ̀ni, that is your religion, pure heart. But àwa nísìn, right? Oh, well, àwa la accept it because máa looting wá sí London. Tá bá ti gba Yoruba nation nísìn, we can stop that. But the more people are saying that they want to continue to vote for all these criminal politicians, whether it is the APC, whether it is the Labour Party, you will continue to have them loot our resources to UK. It's as simple as that. But Tabana Afenye, we can stop it. How are you doing? You know, we can stop it. But Tabana Afenye, right? Then what would then happen is that more politicians would try to buy houses here. While you and me are struggling. Àwa struggle. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mo yé nísìn, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa rí back view àwọn buildings yẹn. Ṣọ́ra àwọn buildings tó ń rí yẹn, mo fẹ́ kó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀. You understand? Mo rí ẹ Ọlánìpẹ̀kun, a very good evening. Then enough is enough. Let us start telling ourselves the truth. There's nothing that can repair the damage of Nigeria. Nigeria is gone. And if anybody is telling you that we're going to repair Nigeria, it's a lie. It's a pure lie. Then he lives in UK, so he can say a lot about those and where. Yeah. So Mokim, Mr. Idowu Michael. So what I'm trying to explain to you, my people, is that nobody is saying that our people are the problem, but the politicians should not be given any room. We must end their career by saying to them that we don't want to be part of this contraction called Nigeria. It is a failure. It has failed myself and you, and it is important that we now start telling the truth that that country called Nigeria is holding our life back. And moreover, it has expired in 2014. Why do we want to keep something that is no longer working? And these are all the reasons in the world that we are campaigners of the Yoruba nation, saying it the way it is, that Nigeria should now come to an end. Okay, I'm in East London. I don't see anything special here. Okay, there is money and opportunity here, but I love Nigeria. Then in East London. Kí ló dé tẹ́ padà lọ sí Nigeria? Ẹni tó náà wà ní East London yẹn. Bá padà lọ sí Nigeria. Living in denial. How are you, officer? I'm doing very well. Educating my people. Àbọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ yẹn nísìn. Wà ní East London. Bá padà lọ sí Nigeria.
Bro, 3 lives.
Yeah, man.
Free. Man's out here grinding.
Wait, what you do? Followers.
What you do?
I'm a journalist.
You're a journalist?
Yeah.
I'm a videographer.
Okay.
Have you got another phone? Take my number.
All right. Put it in there.
Take my number.
Put it in there. Don't say that. Just put it in there. How you doing? Where you heading to?
I'm good. I'm heading to go and get some drinks. I just finished work down the road.
Educating them about freedom. Most of them don't understand what is freedom. They think
this is freedom. This. See this? See this? See behind? Freedom. Freedom.
Freedom. What's the name?
I'll save it as videographer.
All right.
So you know. That's J.
Just put the
video.
Yeah. All right, I'll give a shout out.
Give me a shout.
All right, one love, man. All right, take care.
You man, freedom.
Freedom, man. Freedom. Don't put freedom here. Let me say this. The Yoruba politician knows that this is what Baba Olowo wants. Baba Olowo wants everybody to have a better life. The late Chief Obafemi Awolowo wants us to have a quality life. But that quality life has now been removed in Yoruba land. So, ẹni tó ní òun gbé ní East London, ẹ padà sí Nigeria now. Why live here if Nigeria can make money for you? Sheriff, these are the Nigerians that say, hey, Nigeria can make money for me. But hey, if you padà lọ, you are living here where there's freedom. But one thing is, I don't want to focus on that person. My focus to this evening is to just remind you that ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn politicians, your politicians are the one telling you lies. The politicians are the one telling you lies because they are giving you the false narrative. They are giving you the false hope that one day, that one day, that Nigeria will be a great place. But everybody knows that nothing will be great in that shit-hole country called Nigeria. Nigeria has expired. It has literally expired, and we must allow it to go. Why should I focus on you? I can even remove you if I want. Who the hell are you? To suspend you out of the broadcast. Who the hell are you? The broadcast. I mean, what followers here? What followers? 2,000 people just joined my YouTube subscription. Another page. Who the hell are you? Timothy Mafia content. Bomb bastard. Oh, one in East London. No, so found one in Nigeria. Nigeria no lower. Ìlú tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn. Ìlú tó ń gba freedom lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. How are you? Àbọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ yẹ yín nísìn. You know, hello. So, yeah? Yeah. I mean, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Talking to them about freedom. Most of them don't understand what is freedom in Nigeria. They've literally taken their freedom away from them. So I need to start educating them every blessed day and talk to them about the dissolution of the country that the UK put together in 1914 called Nigeria through the amalgamation during the colonial era. So, all right, sister, thank you. Yes. The subject is about freedom. I'm discussing freedom. And the reason why we should not be part of this creation of the British Empire called Nigeria. I am an indigenous person, but the British have removed the British have removed the indigenous of me. They've removed my identity. They've removed my culture. And they are now telling me, oh, remain in Nigeria when my own ethnic group has been surviving before the British came to our territory. And after 100 years, we were told that we can dissolve. But yet, nobody wants to dissolve it. Until there's another civil war, then people start coming on BBC. So what we now do every day is to... let me give you... Are you on YouTube? Yeah, so let me give you my... Yeah, just type in Koiki and media, Koikr, and that way you can, follow the conversation. Yeah, Instagram, yes. Oh, okay. Let me cite very well. So this is what I do as a journalist that I've lived in the country for the last 25 years, educating them and telling them all the reason in the world that's it. So you can just follow. Yeah. God bless you too as well. Thank you so much. Shalom. No, thank you. Thank you. No, that's okay. Thank you. So, let us get it right. Mokini Pastor Mo. Many of our people have been held back. Baba Olowo happy Leni because of what is happening in the territory. This is what Baba Olowo wants for us. The Yoruba people that will be able to perform magic. The Yoruba people that will be able to do things around the world and compete. Not the Yoruba people that wants to run out of their territory, just like I did in 25 years. Every one of us that leaves that territory that means we are losing the identity. So, in toba ti mu e kúrò lórí ilẹ̀ tó wà, then automatically you've lost it. So let's turn around again and show you the view from this side again, so that you can get the view again from this angle. But a lot of people seems not to get the message. Some of you think that we are just, niche, and that is why we are doing what we are doing. What we are doing today has got to do with understanding that if we do nothing today, the next generation of the diaspora, Tojomo Yoruba, they will be very, very upset. Come. You understand? They will be very, very upset. And we must first love our identity before anything else. But when they've removed your identity, then you are automatically no person. The identity and what igba kúrò lọ́wọ́ wa. Hello. How are you? Aboromoye nisin. That identity has been removed, and we are now told that we are who we are not. The president of African Development Bank said that it will take 300 years from now to have a development in Nigeria. So who then can tell me that Nigeria will be developed in Tinubu era in the next 4 years? You are living in denial. Tinubu government won't fix Nigeria. But many people do not want to accept the truth. And it is only the truth that they survive. Because what is suffering Nigeria might work. We have been told that for how many years now? Continuously we have been told that Nigeria is going to work, but till date Nigeria refused to work. And the question then is, how much time do you want to wait to Nigeria might work? How much more? Looking Mr. Adebanjo Sunday, Waris Yinodo Mokie. Ìgbà mélòó ló kù tó fẹ́ dúró tán sọ fún ẹ pé Nigeria máa work, ẹ má worry, ká túbọ̀ ṣe sùúrù díẹ̀ yẹn láti ṣe for 63 years. Yoruba nation is a very strong in terms of international community. We can have a new system and have a new economy, have a new relationship. Moki Mr. Peter. But a lot of Yoruba people, efe gbádùn, but tún fẹ́ kúrò inú rubbish tẹ́ wà nínú ẹ̀. Inú rubbish tí kò jẹ́ ká lọ síwájú, kò jẹ́ ká lọ sẹ́yìn. The education sector have been destroyed. For 8 months, Buhari ti gbogbo university pa. Torí pé kò fẹ́ fún àwọn èèyàn tí ó máa kọ́ yín níwèé, kò fẹ́ sanwó fún wọn. Ẹlòmíì ti lóyún. Mo kí mọ́mí wa Fọláṣadé Òjó, ẹ bá ń kí grandma tó ń bá ń kí grandma. So every day that we are coming out and trying to tell you that this is what Baba Awolowo wants. A Yoruba territory that has kí ni gbogbo local government I think 191. Almost 190 local government. Kò sí any kind of iota of truth. Mo kí Yami Sanjo Beauty Air. But some of us are still like, oh my Danijo kan ká ṣe sùúrù. 191, Oshioma Balaji Abdullahi, Mukenti, United Arab Emirates. I pray that you get to UK, but remember what I told you in the morning. The UK visa fee is going up. Oma need the 1 million naira. Láti lè fi ṣe health insurance. Àìtí mọ̀gbà tí òfin yẹn máa wá sí ìmúṣẹ. But ó ti wà already announced by Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister have already told us that what we fund the budget for public spending. Kí ló ń pè ní public spending? Public yàtọ̀ sí private. Àwọn building tó ń rí nísìn, they are private. But anything that's got to do with pé government ló ń run ẹ̀, òun ló ń pè ní public. And the government has millions of workers. Some of them are working with this borough. Èyí tí wọ́n ṣe ni pé wọ́n máa make sure pé ibi ìbàdàn ló ń pè ní City of London. Wọ́n ní ọlọ́pàá, wọ́n ní àwọn tó máa clean ilẹ̀, wọ́n máa wá gba tax. Area yìí nísìn, the tax is very high. Tó bá máa gba shops ibi ìbàdàn, tax tó máa san ó yàtọ̀ sẹ́ni tó wà ní Peckham. Tax tó máa san ó yàtọ̀ sẹ́ni tó wà ní another borough. Torí pé àdúgbò yìí is a very, very unique ó dẹ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ business opportunity. Hello, how are you? Hey, ọmọ ńlá. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ yẹ́ nísìn. And this is why we are saying to some of you that let us ask the question. Ṣofẹ́yẹ kí o fẹ́ wá sí UK tó yẹ pé the visa fee is going up. The visa fee to come to UK is going to go up within the next few months. Nobody knows when exactly, but it has already been enacted by the parliament. So tó bá ń sọ pé kò pọ́n, that means pé it doesn't matter. Máa bọ̀ ní UK, kájọ máa gbé níbí báyìí. Kí territory wa ká máa jẹ́ kó wà destroy. Àwọn Chinese ń lọ sínú inú Kwara State nílọrin, wọ́n lọ mine gold. Àbí whatever tó ná mine kùsà. Nígbà tó máa show wọn, ẹ̀yìn wọn lọ show. Wọ́n show wájú fún wa. How are you? You're right? Good, good. Where are you from? Algeria and England. Yeah, man. Where are you heading to? Hackney. Oh, I used to live in Hackney some 15 years ago. Very nice area now. It has changed in the last 15 years. After the Olympics, the government invested a lot into it. It was not what it used to be when I was living there 15 years ago. It's now a little bit more influence. You know, there's a mixture of people living there. There's more of real workers as 10 years ago.
It's happening all over all the big cities. Same trend.
And this is what I'm saying to my own people back home, that the government of Nigeria refused to invest in the people. Yeah. And when you don't invest in the people, what happens?
I know. We're getting, like, there's a lot of government here. As well.
Oh, yes.
Thing.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah. Can I just say, Nigeria, you've got a lot of things better there that we don't have here. So, get around there.
I tell them all the time. I tell them all the time. But they don't listen. They keep abusing me. They keep saying to me, shut up. So when I come out like this, I show them what it looks like.
Yeah, come on.
Thank you so much.
That's right. Listen to this guy.
Have a great evening.
Story.
Bye for now.
That's that, bro.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ believe me, ẹ kúkú gbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ. Mo kí ẹ̀ ń tẹ wà lórí Instagram, mo kí Sadiq. Kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ń báyàn kankan bínú nílé. We are not upset with you, but àwa wà angry pé for 63 years, what they couldn't provide omi mumu, wọ́n lè provide for yín. And this is why we are saying that, okay, a ti padà sí democracy láti 1999. Mo kí ẹ Mr. Nuruddin. Ìyọ́lá mo kí Adédoyin. Tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ mo fi ń dárúkọ gbogbo yín. Bàbá wo lọ́wọ́, ṣé tí bàbá yẹn bá bojú wẹ̀yìn, ṣé feel pé bàbá yẹn inú bàbá yẹn máa dùn? Ẹ̀yin náà béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara yín. Ṣé feel pé bàbá wo lọ́wọ́, ṣé inú bàbá wo lọ́wọ́ máa dùn? Pẹ̀lú gbogbo atrocity tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ń jíyàn gbé tó ń pààyàn. And all these atrocities are going on and the world is not saying as much. Do you know how many people have been killed lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Tinubu débẹ̀? And we are not talking about 1, 2, 3 because value ẹ̀mí lọ́dọ̀ yín. And this is why we are continuously saying to our people that we must now look into the structure and ask our politicians whether they are really honest with us. Especially àwọn tó ń represent yín tí wọ́n ń pè ní House of Representatives. Àwọn senator yín, ṣé wọ́n wà genuine fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílé? Ṣé wọ́n wà genuine ẹ̀wọ̀n olóṣèlú yín? Are they real genuine? I am sure they are not. But many of you do not get the message. Ẹ ń fi pé àwọn upset pẹ̀lú àwọn olóṣèlú yín. Most of them have been here. Àwọn tó ti wá síbí báyìí, they know how things work. But they refuse to do the needful. And this is why we are saying now that èyí tá a ṣe pẹ̀lú Nigeria, our relationship with Nigeria is enough. Let's wind down this relationship. Let's come out of it. How you doing, brother? Well, yeah, man. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You know, ọ̀fẹ́ kọ́rọ́jú àwọn big boys London nìyẹn. So, àwọn fashion tá à ń ṣe yìí, because ntí mo gbé dání, not everybody can do it because your face becomes known around the world quickly, and nobody wants that. The new president has not gotten the money needed to match the West developed economy. We need between $4 to $5 trillion. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. I need it, we need nothing less than $5 trillion. Tabaferi, this kind of standard. So, níjọ́ la wá fẹ́ rí standard yẹn. Ní ọdún wo la fẹ́ rí irú standard yẹn. And this, ẹ jẹ́ kí n turn camera ẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní view láti ìjọ́ wo la fẹ́ rí irú standard yẹn. Ìdí tá a ṣe ń sọ fẹ́yìn tí ẹ wà nílé ni pé let us get the hell out of this messed up country called Nigeria. Nigeria is a shithole. Kò lọ síwájú, kò lọ sẹ́yìn. Ó ti fi tiẹ̀, ó ti fi kó bá gbogbo wa. And this is why we are saying enough is enough. Nigeria has failed every one of us. Ó ti fail ọmọdé, ó ti fail àgbàlagbà. But some of you do not want to accept the fact. Some of you do not want to believe what we are saying. Lọ́kàn ara yín, bígbà tó jẹ́ pé à ń bínú sí nǹkankan. Lọ́kàn ara yín, bígbà tó jẹ́ pé I was upset. So I'm going to move us a little bit. Mo fẹ́ move síwájú díẹ̀ sí, so that we can also continue to show you. I'm going to turn this around as well. And then we're going to do this. So I'm now going to take you a little bit. Now, ṣòwárí gbogbo àwọn tó ń rí tó ń gun àwọn mọ́tò ńláńlá yìí, right? Some of them do not need to have the money, the cash. All they need to have is just to have what they call the credit facility. Tó bá ti ní credit facility, they can automatically get a vehicle. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mo yẹ nísìn, mo fẹ́ move ẹ wá síwájú díẹ̀ sí. Mo ti kúrò níbẹ̀ so that kí n má wà stagnant ojú kan. Let me come this side. And this is what we are saying to our people. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ ká kúrò lójú kan? Ẹ fẹ́ ká wá máa ṣe rakatia tá à ń ṣe yẹn. Rakatia tá à ń ṣe lójoojúmọ́, ìyẹn lẹ fẹ́ ká máa ṣe. Ó dà ń pé orí yín ti gbálẹ̀. Ẹ fẹ́ ká máa ṣe rakatia. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Àwọn ò lè máa ṣe rakatia yẹn, because rakatia yẹn tá ṣe for more than 63 years is enough. Nigeria has wasted our time, and that time till waste yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká get the hell out of it. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mo yẹ ní sí. Nigeria to waste the time wa, ó ti pa time wa lára. Let us get the hell out of Nigeria now before it is too late. Nigeria ò lè ṣiṣẹ́. If anybody is telling you it's going to work, it's lie. Wọ́n kàn cook irọ́ yẹn every day. We need like to see how the team. You're wondering how many phones am I using to do the transmission? You know, it might surprise you. You know, probably ilé tó kó fóònù mẹ́ta dání bá ilé ìrìn àgbà. So let us get the fact right. I know pé àwọn kan sì ní feelings and love Nigeria, but Nigeria ò love yín. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn love Nigeria, but Nigeria ò love yín. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin náà sọ pé love Nigeria, love Nigeria. How you doing?
How you doing?
Where are you going? Oh my God! Oh no, lọ sí LA. So àbúrò mi yẹn nìkan. So the lies, wọ́n ti cook irọ́ yẹn, wọ́n ti kúkẹ̀ pé ìjọ kan Nigeria máa dá. But everybody knows automatically that it is not going to work. And this is why we are saying, Kabaferi, this kind of economy, forget it. Not in the Nigeria of today. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá need nothing less than $5 trillion. Kabaferi, this kind of economy. Kabaferi, this kind of economy. We need at least $5 trillion. Níbo ni Nàìjíríà ti fẹ́ rí yẹn láti fẹ́ fi tọ́jú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó máa ní standard, everybody máa live a better life, ká máa lè take care àwọn èèyàn, welfare, education, security. All these things are very, very important, but most of you do not get the message. Lọ́kàn ara yín ẹ̀ ń fi pé our upset, I'm bínú sí APC, I'm bínú sí PDP, I'm bínú sí Labour Party. That is not the reason why we are upset. We are upset because what is gba identity lọ́wọ́ wa. Our real identity, what we put lọ́wọ́ wa. And that is the reason why we are saying that this contraction is no longer working. Let's get it right now because it's too late. Ẹ má ẹ kí a tún di àgbàlagbà bí àwọn parents wa kọ́ ti wà sí bíbá. They are now in their 70s, àwọn kan ti wà in their 80s. Ẹni tó wà in that age bracket kò lè gbé ní Nàìjíríà for 1 year. Nítorí pé kí ni wọ́n ò lè gbé ní ìgbé ayé tó ń gbé ní abroad. And this is the reason why we are saying that enough of this union for Nigeria. Nigeria is a shithole. It's not going to work. If anybody tells you Nigeria is going to work, it's lie. Let's get the hell out of Nigeria so that we can have a better life. I'm going to wind down now because we're going to film out of there. So we're going to end the program. I might come back later if I can. But for now, I say au revoir. Ki ojoma ba àwọn phones mi jẹ́. I got to go now. Mo kí gbogbo alẹ́ nǹkan sí. Mo kí ọmọdé, mo kí àgbàlagbà. Yoruba nation, no going back. UK weather, àdánwò gbà.